Municipalities previously took maximum increase due to declining revenue. They did not look to fix the actual problems impacting revenue, namely poor credit control, poor service delivery, frequent interruptions, and inaccurate metering and billing. Rural wants to build towards a better Free State through our 300K campaign, which focuses on the following objectives: to be one of the top 10 cheapest electricity suppliers in SA by 2016-2017, bringing industry back to the Free State, and uniting families by bringing the workplace closer to home. Keeping this in mind, we aim to keep tariffs as low as possible for our consumers. The National Energy Regulator of South Africa's mandate is to regulate the electricity, piped gas, and petroleum pipeline industries in terms of the Electricity Regulation Act of 2006. All tariffs therefore have to be approved by NERSA before being implemented. Before any tariffs can, however, be approved and finalized, Rural first consults with the local municipality and the public. This takes place in the form of municipal information and participation meetings, where the municipality and Rural field questions on the proposed tariffs. Rural consolidates all the comments and provides them to NERSA to consider. The new tariffs are implemented after the public participation process on the 1st of July. This process is repeated every year as tariffs are revised on an annual basis. It is important to know that the tariffs increased dramatically on the 1st of June due to the transition from summer to winter tariffs, and again on the 1st of July when the new tariffs are implemented. Please keep this in mind when planning your budget.
Only true indigent customers receiving a government grant can qualify for the free basic charge. You cannot receive this grant if you are employed or receiving pension from another scheme. FBE amounts to the provision of 50 kilowatt hours free every month paid for by the government. The customer does not have to make a purchase to receive this 50 kilowatt hours. They can just produce the card or number at the vending station and will then receive a token with the free 50 kilowatt hours for a specific month. Rural is in the process of testing the new time of use prepaid meter. Currently only commercial and large power users are active on this tariff type. We hope that residential prepaid time of use will still be made available to residential customers later in 2014. Time of use pricing is based on when electricity is used, taking into consideration the time of day, time of week, weekday or weekend, and season. It works in the same way as a cell phone tariff. Higher prices will be charged during peak periods, when demand is highest, and lower prices will be charged during standard and off-peak periods when the demand is lower. Not only is time of use beneficial to the environment and the electrical grid, but also to you as a consumer. It rewards you for using electricity during off-peak periods wherever possible. By making simple changes to the times of day you run major appliances, you'll be able to keep your costs as low as possible. For example, if you do your laundry weekdays at 5:30 p.m. when you arrive home from work, you'll be charged higher or peak rates. Rather do your washing on a Sunday when lower or off-peak rates are charged for the whole day. Simply follow the color-coded grid to guide you in your electricity usage. The red indicates all peak periods, the yellow all standard periods, and the green all off-peak periods. Consumers are divided into 3 categories, namely residential consumers, referring to household consumers divided into prepaid and conventional consumers, business consumers, referring to small and medium businesses, and large power users or LPUs, referring to large businesses. Let's take a moment to look at the new tariffs of 2014-2015. Please note that these tariffs are excluding VAT. Residential consumers using conventional electricity qualify for either a block tariff or time of use structure. The following charges apply to residential conventional consumers who qualify for block tariffs. The following charges apply to residential conventional consumers who qualify for a time of use structure. Residential prepaid consumers will be charged as follows. Business consumers are divided into single-phase and three-phase time of use structures. The following charges apply. The LPU tariff is structured as follows.
We want to express our sincere appreciation and thanks to every electricity user in Mafube for tolerating the upgrade and improvement project, as it has certainly become worse before it got better. We trust that each consumer is now satisfied with the continuity and quality of supply provided. Ultimately, and in a short time frame, rural maintenance has shown that we are willing to walk the talk. Every journey starts with a single step, and rural has taken that step to ensure a better life for rural communities, businesses and employees in order to build towards a better Free State for all.